I'll show you how to make triple chocolate cupcakes. They're moist, rich chocolate flavor. They're absolutely delicious. It's a simple recipe. We're gonna mix our dry ingredients first. Half of a cup of flour, half of a cup of cacao powder, half of a cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix so everything is well combined. Now in a separate bowl, we're gonna combine our wet ingredients. Add 3 eggs. Add half of a cup of buttermilk or kefir, 1/4 of a cup of water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix until everything is well combined. Now combine dry ingredients with wet ingredients and mix just until everything is combined. Don't overmix. I'm gonna use an ice cream scoop, and 1 cupcake is exactly 1 scoop. This recipe makes exactly 12 of the regular size cupcakes. They should almost be filled to the top. Bake them at 350 for 16 minutes and don't touch them until they cool down completely. For the frosting, we're gonna melt 1 cup of dark chocolate chips. Add 1 cup of heavy whipped cream. Add by a little bit because if you add the whole thing right away, you won't be able to mix it in. Chocolate will harden and texture won't be smooth. This is how it should look at the end, very smooth and even. To your mixing bowl, add 2/3 of a cup of butter at room temperature. Mix until it's smooth. Add 2/3 of a cup of powdered sugar. Mix it in. Add the chocolate mixture. Mix on high speed for a few minutes until it's fluffy and smooth. I will be using closed star piping tip. If your frosting is warm and runny, you can let it chill in a refrigerator for like 10 minutes before piping it. Look how dark these cupcakes are. They're so chocolate. They're absolutely yum. Very simple way to decorate a cupcake. Watch carefully. The secret is in buttercream. When it's at room temperature, it's smooth and easy to control. So really, you don't want it to have it warm, but room temperature or slightly chilled is perfect.